Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to take good selfies on iPhone. Here are some steps to take good selfies on iPhone. First, clean up your front camera lens. Use a soft cloth to wipe off any smudges or dust for a clearer photo. Find good lighting. Natural light, like from a window, is best. Avoid harsh overhead lighting or shadows. Open the camera app. Switch to the front-facing camera by tapping the camera flip icon. Use portrait mode if available. On supported iPhones, portrait mode adds a soft background blur that enhances selfies. Frame your shot. Use the grid lines enable in settings. Camera. Then toggle on grid to center your face or use the rule of the thirds. Use a timer for stability. Set a 3 or 10-second timer by tapping on the arrow upwards in the top center. Then scroll to find the timer and tap on it. Then tap to choose your timer. But for now, I choose 5 seconds to avoid shaky hands and give yourself time to pose. Experiment with angles. Hold the phone slightly above eye level and tilt your head slightly to find your best angle. Try different expressions and filters. Smile naturally or give a relaxed look. Test filters or lighting styles and portrait mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.